Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Veloster trunk release button. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off for safety. Gather your essential tools, including a small flathead screwdriver and, of course, your new replacement button. Having all your materials ready beforehand makes the entire process much smoother and quicker to complete. Now, let's access the button. Begin by opening your Veloster's trunk lid to give yourself ample working space. Next, locate the interior trim panel on the inside of the trunk lid. You'll need to carefully remove any fasteners holding this panel in place, then gently pry the panel away to expose the components underneath. With the trim panel removed, you should now see the trunk release button assembly. Locate the electrical connector attached to the button. Press the small tab on the connector to release it, then carefully pull it free. Next, unclip the old button from its housing, noting its exact orientation to ensure the new one goes in correctly. It's time to install your new button. First, connect the electrical plug to the new button, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, snap the new button securely into its designated housing. Once that's done, carefully reattach the interior trim panel, making sure all fasteners are secure. Finally, test the new trunk release button to confirm it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.